Hey there everyone, welcome back to EV Equity Edge, the go-to place for the latest updates and deep dives into the electric vehicle stock market. Today we're zooming in on Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID. Now, if you've been following along with us, you know Lucid has been making some waves recently, and today's session was no exception. Whether you're already invested, considering buying in, or just here for the analysis, we've got a packed agenda today. We'll break down today's trading action, dissect the recent news impacting Lucid, and as always, give you an idea of what to watch for in the coming sessions. So, fasten your seatbelts, let's dive into it. Let's take a closer look at how Lucid Group performed on July 11, 2023. Right off the bat, Lucid started the trading session on a positive note, opening at $8, a small step up from the previous close of $7.93. But, the action didn't stop there. The bulls pushed forward, driving the stock to a daily high of $8.37. Now, even though the closing bell saw the stock price settle a bit lower at $8.12, let's not overlook that Lucid chalked up a gain of 2.4% on the day. That's not too shabby, and it certainly speaks volumes about growing investor confidence. And what about the daily low? Lucid didn't dip below $7.87, which happens to be above the previous day's close, another bullish sign that has our attention. The trading volume was also buzzing, with about 56.28 million shares changing hands, comfortably above the average volume of 34.86 million. The stock's daily range, or the spread between the high and the low, was a healthy 6.31%. This lively volatility, along with a solid close, points to an underlying optimism in the market. We might be seeing more investors eyeing Lucid, drawn by its potential. Let's not forget the role of yesterday's support and resistance levels in shaping the day's action. Lucid broke past the first resistance barrier at $8.07, which now flips to become a support level for the stock. These pivot points are like invisible guide rails for the price, helping us understand where the stock might find its footing or face a ceiling. So, all things considered, Lucid's day in the market was quite a ride, with a positive close and robust volume indicating investor interest. But the story doesn't end here. We have news updates to cover, and those can often cast a long shadow over the stock's future price moves. Well, I'm sure you're curious to know what's been cooking up in Lucid's kitchen, right? The recent headlines are pretty spicy, and they're stirring up quite a buzz. Perhaps the most sizzling tidbit of news is Lucid's stock rallying by 15% this July. I mean, who wouldn't raise their eyebrows at a double-digit gain in just a fortnight? This rise has been so significant, in fact, that market watchers are wondering if LCID has the momentum to reach the $20 mark in 2023. Sounds ambitious? Well, with the EV market, you just never know. But wait, there's more. The company's CEO, Peter Rawlinson, has been tantalizing the industry with hints about Lucid's forthcoming vehicle launches. There's some gutsy ambition on display here, folks. Rawlinson seems quite eager to pit his company against Elon Musk's Tesla, specifically aiming at their Model 3 and Model Y. Lucid versus Tesla, sounds like the next blockbuster, doesn't it? And as if this wasn't enticing enough, there's more good news adding fuel to the bullish sentiment around Lucid. The EV manufacturer recently inked a deal with none other than Aston Martin, the esteemed British luxury carmaker. Under this agreement, Aston Martin will shell out a whopping $232 million in cash and stock to Lucid over 3 years in exchange for access to Lucid's EV powertrain and battery systems. This is quite a significant validation of Lucid's technology and potential market impact. While these news pieces are definitely exciting, let's not forget that predicting the stock market isn't as simple as connecting the dots. News can stimulate investor interest and shape market sentiment, but the real influence on the stock price could play out in unpredictable ways. As investors process this news and recalibrate their expectations, we might witness shifts in LCID's stock trajectory, either catapulting it to new heights or nudging it towards novel resistance levels. To that end, it's absolutely crucial that we remain vigilant, closely monitoring the price trends and gauging how these narratives are influencing Lucid's stock. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The future. The crystal ball. It's time to look at where LCID might be heading, guided by our compass of support and resistance levels. Now, imagine this, you're standing at a crossroads. You see three paths stretching out before you, $8.19, $8.44, and the much anticipated $8.92. These, my friend, are LCID's resistance levels. As we chart LCID's course, these are the numbers we need to conquer. These are our mountains to climb. Each time LCID stock price approaches these levels, you're likely to see a struggle, a fight. Bulls, bears, everybody's going to get in on the action. But here's the thing about mountains, reaching the top feels amazing. If LCID manages to break through these resistance levels, we could see a surge in bullish sentiment. That could push the price even higher, leading us to undiscovered territories, unseen peaks. On the other side of the coin, we have our safety nets, our pillows for the falls, the support levels at $7.46, $6.98, and $6.73. Should the stock start to tumble, these are the points where buyers might jump back in, propping the price up. In this tug of war between the bulls and the bears, these are the lines in the sand that the bears hope not to cross. Bear in mind, though, that these are not just arbitrary numbers. These points have a magnetic pull on the stock price. They'll play a crucial role in shaping LCID's trajectory. As the price dances closer to these lines, you'll want to keep your eyes peeled for potential breakouts or rebounds. But remember, in this game, there are no guarantees. These levels serve as indicators, giving us a sense of direction, but the stock market is an animal of its own. It's influenced by a myriad of factors, including news events, investor sentiment, market volatility, and much more. So, while these levels offer a roadmap, it's crucial to stay updated, stay informed, and stay adaptable. Well, folks, that's a wrap for our in-depth analysis on Lucid Motors today. We've embarked on a thrilling ride, unpacking the stock's performance, dissecting the latest news, and plotting potential future paths. But remember, the world of stocks is ever-changing, with each day offering a fresh canvas of insights and challenges. If you've found value in our journey today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to continue providing these deep dives. Plus, it ensures you won't miss out on any of our future updates, analysis, and financial conversations. Also, we've got some exciting content lined up on other big names in the EV market, Tesla, NIO, Mullen, and Rivian, to name a few. So stay tuned and gear up for more insights and analysis that help you navigate the electrifying world of EV stocks. Here, we don't just follow the stock market, we live it. Until next time, happy trading, and remember, knowledge is the best investment.